Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to just be doing an unboxing of my summer FabFitFun. So if you want to see what I got for the summer, then just keep watching. So for this box, I was not like the last box and I actually remembered about it. And so I pretty much picked everything in here, I think, except for maybe like 2 or 3 items. So I really love the box. This season, my brain is farting way too much today. I love this box. Anyways, okay, so we got some stuff that's always in here. Stickers. I'm really not a stickers person, so I never know what to do with that. Also got off a coupon, $15 off your first FabFitFun, so whoever uses the code first can have it. Looks like some stuff, code for daily harvest, code for some wine. I have to give that to my husband because he's been obsessing over getting wine. He got a bar cart for Christmas and he just keeps trying, or for his birthday, and just keeps trying to fill it up. You get the magazine like always as well. Let's just dive into the actual products. You know, the fun stuff. So let's start off with the first item. Looks like it's by the brand, I think, Lasting Smiles. It's a sea salt and citrus aromatherapy candle. I love how it says bougie. By the way, I'm not used to having these freaking nubs. I miss having nails. Side note, decided to take my nails off and give them a little bit of a breather, mostly because I can't find a good nail place here in town. So then I was like, you know what? There's a whole new trend about the easy press-on, but they're not press-ons. What are they called? I can't think of the word. Anyways, long story short, I bought the kit, so I'm gonna do it myself. So that'll be a video. Anyways, let's open this up. So it says it's supposed to be, hold on. Poured with all-natural soy blend wax for an eco-friendly clean burn. It says it features a cotton wick. Why did I just say that so weird? Wick. And fine perfume oils infused with essential oils. Oh, here's the fragrance note of this one. So it says the top notes are grapefruit, sea salt, green, ozonic, and accord. The mediums are gardenia, jasmine, and rose, and the base is coconut, sandalwood, driftwood, and vanilla. So this is what the candle itself looks like. It's very subtle. It's not bad. I wouldn't say it's like my favorite smelling, but it's really subtle, which I guess I could see the aromatherapy. Like I could see this at a spa. So this is item number 1. I wish I knew how much everything was. They stopped putting it in the magazines. So it looks like the candle is $45. I'm sorry. I would not pay $45 for this. I know some people are like obsessed with candles, and so they're willing to pay really expensive for not so big items. But like, I personally wouldn't pay $45 for this. I guess it's good that I have it then. I've mentioned it before, but that is one reason I really love these kind of like subscription boxes, is because one, you get things that you wouldn't normally probably purchase but then end up liking. Like I get workout equipment that I can't get myself to buy it, but I need it. So it's things like that the reason I like subscription boxes. But all right, let's move on. The next thing is from a brand called Kayo, and it just says it's a body scrubber. There's 3 mystery choices, which is the ones they picked, which is this, and it's not letting me view it. Like when I view it, it's like freaking out. So this is either the $20 option, the $15 option, or the $0 option. Obviously it's not $0, but this is what it looks like. How would you use this? It's like bigger than my hand, so how do you, I don't know. I'll figure it out. But it's a body scrubber, which is nice. And I'm assuming it will be better to use this than like a loofah, because it's, the material I feel like probably doesn't hold bacteria. Hopefully. I'll have to look into this. Next. Okay, this is something I did pick. This is the Way Scalp and Body Scrub. Looks like it is originally $38 for this. So I have been having a lot of problems with, what's it called? I want to say discoloration, but that just feels weird saying that for your skin. But basically hyperpigmentation. I get it on my knuckles as well. If I go a couple of days without like scrubbing my skin, I will start to get hyperpigmentation. And it's easiest to notice on my knuckles, but I also get it on my elbows. I'm starting to get it in my armpits. You don't need to see that, and some other places. So I decided I need to start incorporating scrubs in my shower as well. Plus Way is known for its hair care. And so I loved that it said it was scalp and body, because moving here, I am getting really bad dry scalp. So hopefully that'll help. Plus I go a week without washing my hair, and so I'll get so much hairspray buildup, so I was hoping that would help too. Okay, the next item I did pick because I didn't really like any of the other options it was giving me, so I went ahead and did this. Since I moved somewhere sunny, I wanted to get sunscreen, especially because it's summer. However, after I did this, I found out about this brand more, and so now I'm not really excited about it anymore. So what it is it's by Tula. It's the Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel. It's SPF 30. Retails for $36. So this brand is everywhere. I've probably got a couple of other products from them from like other subscription boxes. This is the product. And so that's why I was like, oh, let me get this. However, I have learned later from TikTok, which is not always reputable, but they are dermatologists on TikTok, and they're the ones that are saying that there's a lot of filler and crap in here that's actually not the best for you. Not necessarily this product specifically. They were just talking about brands in general. I mean, I'm still gonna use it because I'm not really that conscious of a person. I guess it's something to think of. But I do need more sunscreen, so I'm happy I got that too. All right, I guess I should rephrase that. I need more face sunscreen, since most sunscreen's not okay for your face. So this one I do know it said is a bonus item. It literally just says, it's in a bag. It says mystery choice. So again, I don't know if this is the $25 one or the $15 one. It's from the brand IGK. It's called Expensive. It's the Amla Oil High Shine Top Coat. I've heard IGK products are really good. There's actually an IGK salon here in Miami, I saw. It's an in-shower gloss treatment to protect and enhance color and shine. So it's for if you have dull, color-treated hair, frizzy, or dryness. Use 1 to 2 times a week in place of conditioner. I hate when things say do this in place of conditioner. Like, is it still gonna give me the effects conditioner does? Anyways, we'll have to try that out too. Okay, so this is another of the mystery choices that I didn't pick. I believe it's from the brand Zitstica, but it said it's the Press Refresh Hydrogel Exfoliating Sheet Masks. Are you kidding me? I have been so dry, but breaking out. My nose has been horrible since moving here. Also though, it's probably because my routine isn't the same here, and so I don't moisturize and wash my face every day. Anyways, so I need to start doing that, but then also I really wanted something like this, so I'm glad it has this. But it says it's to smooth breakouts, unclog pores, and smooth uneven texture. I'm lazy when it comes to skincare, so I love that this does multiple things in a mask, because I'll put a mask on. It's sheet masks, I should rephrase that. I am so excited to try this. So it looks like it comes with 5 of them. I love this packaging. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It's just a sheet mask, but it is a little thicker than standard sheet masks, I feel like. I'm stoked to try this. Oh my God, when's the last time you heard somebody say stoked? So the real reason I was really excited about this box, and the very first thing I picked, was a Society 6 outdoor blanket. Retails originally for $60. When we first moved here, Mike would not stop talking about doing beach days and how we have to go and do picnics on the beach and, you know, beach, 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 beach. So I was like, okay, well then this is perfect to take on the beach. So it looks like it has a little handle. This is adorable. Watch though, if I unfold this, I'm probably never gonna get it to fold back like this. So it looks like there's a Velcro, and then it just folds out. Oh. How big is this? It's decent. I wouldn't say it's gigantic, but, and I love that it's pretty soft on this side, you know, side you're supposed to sit on. And then obviously the underside is very much like a tarp material. This is awesome. All right, I quit. I can't get it rolled tight enough. Oh, so close. Anyways, that's the blanket. I don't think I mentioned it. If you want to sign up for FabFitFun, I think it's like $50 some every season. So there's 4 seasons, so every quarter. If you want me to continue doing these boxes, let me know. I'm not sure if I should keep doing these unboxings, but if you like seeing what I got, let me know. Otherwise, that's all I have for this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.